Hey guys, in this video I'll be giving you 3 gospel based runs. If you're interested and if you want to know how to apply them very well without stress, I want you to watch the video to the end, okay? I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. If you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share to your friends, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So as I said earlier in the video, I'll be giving you 3 gospel based runs for your groove, okay? Giving you this, I'll also show you how to apply them and also when to apply them. So I'll be breaking this into 3 steps, okay? So let's look at the first one. So let me break it down and show you how and when to apply this kind of runs, okay? So okay, so you can apply these runs on your 4, 6, 7, 1. So instead of you playing dun, 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 then you can do it dun. Then you're back to your 1. Okay, I hope you're understanding it. Okay, so it goes like this, starting from your 4. So oh, your 7. Oh, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Then you apply the run. So when you hit your 4, 4, then you descend from your octave 4. You understand? Okay, so dun, 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 dun. The first one, dun, dun, dun. That is your 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, you're not to play this as a lick. You understand? No, don't do it as a lick. So let me show you how it works. So let's play the 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you pluck on your 4, your root, your octave. You understand? Then you descend. That is, you pull off back to your 3. You understand? So then you pluck on your 2. Then you pluck on your 1. Okay, so you see, don't do it this way. No, it might sound you're playing it as a lick, but you're not supposed to do that. Okay, so dun, 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 dun. So dun, 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 dun. You understand? Okay, so the second one, not the step 2, but in the same run. So dun, 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 dun. Then you descend 7, 6, 5. So you pluck on your 7, 6, 5. Pluck on your 4. You pull off back to your 3. You understand? So then pluck on your 2. Pull off back to your 1. The same, you pull off back to your 7. You understand? You understand? Okay, so dun, 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 dun. You understand? Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so now let's jump to the second step. So the second one is also different from the first one. Okay, so dun, 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 the same progression. Dun, 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 dun. So you saw where I started from. I didn't start from my lower bass here. The first one was started from here. Now I'll be starting from my octave so that I can get what I want to play here. So it goes like this. The first one you need to put in your mind. Down, you slide to your 1. Okay. So you see, so 1 1 7. Okay. You understand? No, this is not a lick. Okay, just play it in a simple way and be free. Okay, so okay, and make sure that your laccato sound very well. So 1 7 6 5 3 2 1. Very simple. So now the second one goes like this. So when you hit your 1, then you descend from your 7. So it goes like this: 7 6 5 3 2 5. So this is how to play it. You pluck on your 7, hammer on back to your 6. You see your 5. Okay, 5 3 2 5 3 2 5. Then you move upwards. 5 6 7 1 5 3 2 5 6 7 1. Okay, so you see that the timing went very well. So you see, you understand? The first one, the second one, okay. So now let's look at the third one. That is the last one. Okay. Okay, so this is the third one, and the third one will be somehow difficult, but you just need to take time and practice it very, very well, okay, before you can master and start using them in your groove, okay? So the same. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so now the third one, I'm starting from my lower bass, that is the roots on your 4. Okay, so put it in mind that the first one was started here, the second one was started here, and now the third one is starting here. Okay, so it goes like this: 4 5 6 7 1 4 4 4. Okay, 4 5 6 7 1. Then from your 1 you climb to your 4. Okay. Okay, so it goes like this: you slide, you hammer on your 6 7, you pluck 1, you pluck, you hammer on your 1. So you understand? So you, when you hammer on your 1, you have to hammer on your 2 because there's a leftover sound. Okay, so you understand? Then you pluck on your 3 because you are jumping to the next string. Then you hammer on your 4. Okay, so then you hammer on your 5. Okay, you see, so then you pluck on your 6, hammer on your 7, your 1. Okay, so you hammer on your 7 and 1. Okay, so if you want to know more about this, I'm using modes over here, so you can just DM me privately. Okay, so when I did that, then I descend. So 6 7, pluck on my 6, I pluck on my 6, hammer on my 7, block on my 5. So dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. You can do that, okay? So then you can continue, okay? So these are the 3 runs I'll be giving to you today. Just, it's no rush. When you learn it today, come in the next 2 or 3 days, pick it up and learn it again. Just let it master you. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.